What's up, everybody? You got the Car Man's channel today, and we're going to be going over a $100 Ford Escape. Wow. Backstory to this one. Meanwhile, all of our videos are designed to try to help educate and somehow show you how to elevate the value of the vehicle. So that's all we're going to do, a series of fixing this car up. And of course, we would really appreciate it if you subscribe to us and check out our very cool Amazon store, which is on the description below, along with any cool tips we might have. So getting right into this. So I'm sitting at the bar the other day, and I'm talking to the bartender, and she's like, yeah, I've got this car. I mean, I was broke down or whatever, but you know, it's a kind of an eyesore, and I just need to get rid of it. I'm like, oh God, how much? Anyway, after it's all said and done, she's like, just come get it. It's $100. Bye. So without seeing it, without hearing about it, anything, I just give her $100. Next day, there's a title and the key in the seat, and we have it picked up. So let's check it out. We definitely got a little ugly here on the hood. I don't know if the rest of the hood will come out. Looks like somebody tried to spray paint it. So there's definitely some damage here we're going to have to contend with. Not sure how this right here is going to go out. But if you take a look at the top is completely rusted. Like the paint just peeled off, and then there's just nothing there. Looking at the rest of the car, the front looks nice and tight. It hasn't been on the road since 2015. It's 2018. So that's kind of scary. The rest of the car seems to be, I'm saying okay. I mean, it's nothing, you know, to write home about. Oddly enough, it has a little bit of rot here inside both fender wells, but underneath it is completely cool. Not really seeing any damage under there and under the frame. Oh, what the hell? Y'all gonna make me look, aren't you? Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Let's see how bad it is under here. I'm scared to even look. You know, compared to what those fender wells look like, I think it looks pretty daggone good. This is a little four-wheel drive, by the way. Take a look at the exhaust. Even looking at the inner fenders from here, which you guys can't see that well, but I can. They seem very good. So other than that superficial rust, seems to be all we're dealing with. It has started to rain on the old poor car, man, so we will back up out of this and keep on with our show, because no matter what's going on, the car man will get his job done. Plus, you gotta admit, this is pretty entertaining for buying a car at a bar. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, look, check it out. Guys probably can't. Oh, the spider web just about got me. But I guess we'll take that inner lip off and see. So what's going on in here? Got some jumper cables. That's not good, guys. That looks like an exhaust manifold and a catalytic converter just kind of laying in the back. Yeah. Well, I did tell them to put a battery in it, so I guess we could kind of see what it sounded like. Oh, wait. What do we got here? 1, 2, 3. What is that? Shit. That's 402 sensors. Wonder why they're out. That's a donut gasket on the bottom. These are his manifold bolts. That's the shield. What is that over there? Oh, okay. It's a cross member off the bottom. A little support. Alright, trying to be positive here, guys. Let's see what the headliner still looks okay. Nothing like crazy. Seats seem to be cleaned up. Ooh, a little rougher than I thought. That's okay. It's okay. We're still positive. We're staying positive. What do we got here? Anything serious on that? That may be superficial. We'll take a deeper look into that. Okay. Some family photos down there. Better get them back to the lady. Alright. Okay, what do we got here? A little damage there. Seat's a little rough. As we know, all Escapes have the material falling off the door post. But we got 6-disc CD changer, AC, heat, 4-wheel drive, power this, power that. It's all good. Alright, man, so I'm going to have to delve off a little closer and more investigation to see what's going on with this exhaust before we even attempt to bust this sucker off. And then, I guess we'll keep you updated, man. Nothing but love from the car man, broadcasting from the RVA. We're going to see if we can make this a fun, exciting car, and it should be lots of very interesting small videos. Definitely some paint stuff, as you've seen earlier. Interior, hopefully won't be that bad. We have some mechanical. Oh, I can see the mileage from here. It's $1.90 on the clock. So, $100, 190,000 miles. He's parts laying in the back. Interior's still there, still got tires. Just looking all around it. Just wonder if the door was actually going to shut. Looks like the wheels and the brakes are alright. Yeah, we're still okay. I think the tires still got a little bit of juice in them. Alright. Oh wow, them tags are old too. Okay. Alright guys, I guess that's a peace out to the next go around, and we'll just get back with you and see what's up with this thing. And I'll be videotaping all of it, so look for your daily 12 o'clock, hit the bell, and we will keep you entertained, baby. That's what I do, is entertainment for the masses on automobiles. See ya!